Hey there, smoking enthusiasts. Are you tired of dealing with charcoal and propane smokers that require constant attention? Um, do you want to enjoy perfectly smoked meats without the hassle? Well, let me tell you a good news. Today I am counting down the top 6 electric smokers on the market in 2025. I've evaluated them based on temperature consistency, smoke production, ease of use, build quality, and overall value. So let's dive right in. Number 6. Masterbuilt Digital Electric Vertical Barbecue Smoker. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker has been a popular choice for many years, and I was excited to put it through its paces. With 711 square inches of cooking space spread across 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, this vertical smoker offers decent capacity for the average family. The digital control panel allows you to set cooking times and temperatures up to 275, which should be sufficient for most smoking needs. One feature I appreciated during testing was the patented side wood chip loader, which allows you to add wood chips without opening the main door. This helps maintain consistent temperatures and keeps the smoke flowing inside the chamber. During my tests with pork ribs, I found this feature particularly useful, as I didn't have to disturb the cooking process to add more wood chips. The heat and smoke rise naturally through the cooking chamber, ensuring decent smoke distribution. However, I did notice some issues with temperature consistency during longer smoking sessions. When smoking a brisket over 12 hours, I observed temperature fluctuations of up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit between the top and bottom racks, with the top rack running noticeably cooler. This meant I had to rotate the meat occasionally to ensure even cooking, which was somewhat inconvenient. The wood chip tray is also smaller than ideal, requiring frequent refills during longer smoking sessions. I had to add chips 3 times during my chicken and ribs tests. 5. East Oak Electric Outdoor Smoker. Next up is the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, which offers 725 square inches of cooking space with 4 removable chrome-plated smoking racks. Powered by an 800-watt heating element, this smoker maintains temperatures between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which is suitable for low and slow cooking methods. The digital panel control makes monitoring internal temperature and time relatively straightforward, providing a more intelligent and efficient operation. During my testing, I appreciated the side wood chip loader, which allowed me to add wood chips without opening the main door. This feature helped maintain consistent temperatures and kept the smoke flowing inside the chamber. The glass door was also convenient for monitoring food without opening the smoker, though I found it required frequent cleaning to maintain visibility. The smoker's 3-layer insulation body did a decent job of retaining heat, and the aluminum-plated edges helped reduce bubbling and make it somewhat rust-resistant. However, I encountered some issues with smoke production. The smoker only begins producing significant smoke at temperatures around 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which limits low-temperature smoking options. For items like summer sausage or jerky that require lower temperatures, you might need to invest in a cold smoke tray as an additional accessory. I also found that adjusting the temperature too quickly caused uneven heat distribution, requiring a more gradual approach to temperature changes. Number 4. Cuisinart Electric Smoker. The Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker impressed me with its straightforward design and reliable performance. With 548 square inches of cooking space distributed across 3 adjustable chrome-coated racks, this smoker offers ample room for various meats and vegetables. The temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit provides excellent versatility, allowing for both traditional low and slow smoking and higher temperature cooking methods. Assembly was remarkably simple. I had the smoker up and running within 15 minutes of unboxing. The analog dial for temperature control, while not as precise as digital controls, was responsive and easy to use. During my testing, I found that once I learned the sweet spots on the dial, maintaining consistent temperatures became second nature. The built-in thermometer provided reasonably accurate readings, though I still recommend using a separate meat thermometer for precise doneness. What really stood out during my testing was how efficiently this smoker handled different types of meat. When smoking chicken wings, the results were consistently juicy with a perfect smoky flavor. The ribs I prepared developed a beautiful bark and pulled away from the bone with just the right amount of resistance. The water pan did an excellent job of maintaining moisture levels, resulting in tender, succulent meats every time. The Cuisinart's design makes accessing the water tray and wood chip compartment mid-smoke relatively easy. 3. Original Bradley BS611 Electric Smoker. The Bradley BS611 Original Smoker brings a unique approach to electric smoking with its innovative biscuit system. Unlike traditional smokers that use wood chips, this model uses compressed wood discs, biscuits, that are automatically fed into the smoking chamber every 20 minutes. During my testing, I found this automated system created a truly hands-off smoking experience that allowed me to focus on other preparations while the smoker maintained consistent smoke production. Setting up the Bradley smoker was remarkably simple. No tools or hardware required. I simply plugged it in, filled the water tray, loaded the biscuit feeder, and was ready to smoke. The analog controls offer low, medium, and high heat settings, making this model particularly accessible to smoking novices. The separate smoke generator and heating elements allow for cold smoking capabilities, something many electric smokers can't achieve without additional accessories. When I tested this smoker with salmon, the results were outstanding. The gentle, consistent smoke produced perfectly moist fish with a delicate, smoky flavor that wasn't overpowering. Similarly, chicken wings developed a beautiful golden color and absorbed just the right amount of smoke. The 572 square inches of cooking space across 4 removable racks provided ample room for multiple items, though larger cuts like full briskets might require some creative positioning. Number 2. GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker represents a revolutionary advancement in smoking technology, allowing you to enjoy authentic smoked foods year-round without stepping outside. This innovative appliance weighs about 45 pounds and measures 16.5 inches wide, 20.5 inches deep, and 16.25 inches high, making it compact enough for most countertops while still offering impressive capacity. During my extensive testing, I was genuinely amazed by this smoker's performance. It works by feeding wood pellets into an igniter while a fan circulates fresh smoke throughout the chamber. The used pellets drop into a water canister where they're extinguished, and an advanced filtration system prevents smoke from escaping into your home. I smoked everything from salmon and chicken wings to barbecue ribs and brisket, and the results were consistently outstanding. Tender, juicy, and infused with authentic smoky flavor. The digital control panel offers 6 preset smoking functions: chicken wings, chicken breast, brisket, pork ribs, pork butt, and salmon, each with automatically programmed time, temperature, and smoke level settings. What impressed me most was the ability to adjust the smoke intensity across 5 levels, allowing for precise flavor control based on the food being prepared. When I smoked ribs on the highest setting, the smoky flavor penetrated deeply throughout the meat, while more delicate foods like fish benefited from lower smoke levels. Number 1. Royal Gourmet SE2805 Analog Electric Smoker. Taking the top spot in our countdown is the Royal Gourmet SE2805 Analog Electric Smoker, which consistently delivered the most impressive results across all my tests. This cabinet-style smoker features a powerful 350-watt heating element and 454 square inches of cooking space across 3 chrome-plated steel racks. The insulated chamber and adjustable analog temperature control maintained remarkably consistent heat throughout my testing, producing perfectly smoked meats time after time. What immediately stood out during my testing was the thoughtful design that made the entire smoking process effortless. The dual-door construction allows you to add water or wood chips without opening the main cooking chamber, minimizing heat loss during longer smoking sessions. I found this feature particularly valuable when smoking a pork shoulder for 12 hours. I could replenish wood chips without disturbing the cooking environment, resulting in more consistent temperatures and better results. The the Royal Gourmet's temperature stability was truly impressive. During my brisket test, the smoker maintained temperatures within a 5-degree range for over 14 hours, something many more expensive models struggled to achieve. The built-in thermometer provided accurate readings that matched my external digital thermometer, giving me confidence in the cooking process. The analog dial, while simple, offered precise control once I learned the settings, and I appreciated not having to worry about digital components failing over time. Final though? So there you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 6 best electric smokers on the market today. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level model or a seasoned pitmaster seeking the ultimate in convenience and performance, there's an electric smoker on this list that will meet your needs. Happy smoking, and I'll see you in the next video.